Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add an event to calendar in Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. First of all, open calendar, click on add icon, click on event, enter event name, after enter event name, turn on this button, scroll down, and if you want to add people, then click on add people and select people that you want to add. Click on done, scroll down, and if you want to add location, then click on add location, search location, scroll down, and if you want to change color, then click on default color. Now here you will see color, select that you want. Now click on save. After click on save, add an event to calendar from your phone. This is how you can add an event to calendar in Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.